Hello guys, today I'm just going to make a video on how to use parallel channels to see where we are in the market on the Bitcoin chart, and just how you can use them every day and the power of them. When I use them all the time, I use them every day. So I thought I'd just make a little quick video and show you what I do and how I use them to trade them. So there's a couple that this is Bitcoin on the daily chart. What I want to do is just going to go out to the weekly chart, and there's a really high time frame parallel channel that's currently in play and has been respected to the dollar pretty much. So this tool down here is on this one. So I already know what I was trading it from. We got the high, we got the low, we got the second low, and when you connected them three pivot points, you could have put the channel on at that point and it would have given you exact, pretty much to the dollar, the high, the all-time high as well. And not only did that, it actually came all the way down and worked absolutely perfect, pretty much to the dollar again. So you can see the power of the channel. You know, it's just so powerful, even on such a high time frame as this is the weekly time frame. And if I just drop that into the daily time frame, just to look at it a bit more closer, I mean, the way it's just gets, obviously that's the starting point. You want three pivot points. Just turn off the magnet a second. So once you got that one there, you got the low, and then you had this low. For it to make that move all the way up to hit the top of the channel, I mean, it's absolutely perfect. But then, you know what we're talking here. So let's say you've got that one, you got that one, and that one. So we've now got the channel. We've got the channel formed. We then want to see, you know, that was, it's 135% gain. Obviously, there's other factors. You should have confluence in these areas and things like that. But this is just showing it in plain simple terms. You know, if you did take a short opportunity or you just exited the market, you know, we then got a 52% drop. 135% gain, 52% drop. Big numbers, big numbers. So that's just, I think I can delete them a better way than that, but just get off this way a minute. Excuse me. Right, okay, so we have the big one. Still in play as we speak. Oh, wait a minute, I've got it on twice. Yep. And then, if we come down... No, I think I can use the daily on this one as well. So, let me just get a zoom in on this a little bit better. So what we then have again now is we have this low, we have this high, and we have this low. So that what that's going to give us is our three pivot points. We'll take the parallel channel, highlight it there, connect, and wait a second, I need the magnet back on. So connect the two bottoms, connect the top, and what do you get? Well, you get your three pivot points, and if you were to go into a long position right there, look at that. So maybe that you found the three pivot points, but you wasn't in a trade. That gave a profit of around 40%. But let's say you weren't in the market there, then you would be looking for that as a target for a short. So if we were in a short position from the touch, the low was yesterday, a 20% drop. So 40% gain, 20% drop. And you go, you know, these are huge numbers. These are huge numbers. But when you put on the, let me just hide them a second and go back to the big one. So that's in that section that we've made some huge gains. But when you look at the gains that was happening in this channel, you know, it's frightening. It's really powerful tool. I use it all the time. I thought I'd just show you that. That's two that, you know, you can do it yourself. You can go on to lower time frames, find 3 pivot points and see how it works. So let's just see if we can go find something random. Completely random now. 3 pivot points somewhere. Do we have something there? Let's have a look at what happened here. I'm looking at this top, and this one. So where's my brush? So let's see if we had anything. The two, obviously three pivot points there. We'd have to take the, when we use the tool, we need to take the side that's got the 2. So at this, with this one, they're on the top. And then we take it down to the bottom. So once you get that, you can see clearly it was, you know, it didn't hold. It did get a rebound off it and then came back. What I like about this is, yes, you're not trading with inside the channel, but it did act as support the first time, gave you a bounce. What do we get a bounce of? We got a bounce of about 1.5%. What we are now on the hourly time frame. And then it came back down and closed below this channel line. We tested it again, and then we tested it. Sorry, we broke it, we tested it, then we tested it for the second time. This indicates here, right here, these lines are probably not thick enough, a bit thicker, that we broke and we managed to get back inside the channel, but closing below again, retested once, retested it twice. You could have made a short trade opportunity. I mean, you could have held into your short, do you know what I mean? There's nothing to say once you got into that position that you were getting out of that. You know, I just randomly picked that place on the chart. You know, we saw me scrolling. It was nothing pre-planned. These happen all the time. So what did that make? You know, that's a 12% move. Before you get into your next, you know, I've just as we're looking now, let me just delete that one for a minute. So I'm just thinking, just keeping my eye on for 3 pivot points. You know, this is obviously, there's a lot more to technical analysis than this, but instantly thinking, okay. What are the 3 pivot points? Because we've got the 2 points at the bottom, we need to connect the bottoms first. So I get the tool, I need the magnet tool on. And what is it? Looking at the two bottoms. Well, that's interesting, isn't it? That is interesting because magnet tool off. If you look at that one, you got your 1, your 2 and your 3. It was there already. So you did have an opportunity there. You've got your 3 pivot points to trade that where to? Exactly on the channel. Exactly. And what would that have given you? That would have given us another 11% move. So yeah, I mean, I love them. Parallel channels just give you, once you get you, just look for your 3 pivot points. Go back, scroll, practice. You'll find loads of them. They're there all the time. And like I showed, just that on that random one there. Brilliant. Really will help you trading. Thanks for watching and see you next time.